Yo, what's up guys? In this quick tutorial we will learn how to make this really cool looking particle glitch text effect in After Effects. And yeah, I think this text effect would look really cool in music videos or yeah, any kind of edits. So yeah, I think you can use it in a lot of projects and it's super simple. It's basically just one super easy effect. And yeah, I'd say let's just go. So let's make a new composition and let's first of all, of course, let's add a background real quick. So I'll just make a dark gray or black solid, just like this. But yeah, now let's of course add a text. So just select the text tool right here and just click in somewhere to make a new text. And yeah, I just type in test, for example, and yeah, now you can just press the text layer and just press S to scale this up, just like this. And now we can go on the right and look for the align settings. And if you can't see them here, you can just go to window up here and make sure they are activated. But yeah, with this setting you can just align the text to the center. So you can just align it horizontally and vertically. And yeah, now let's right click on the test or on the text and just pre-compose it. And make sure the settings are activated and just hit OK. And now we can just look for the single and most important effect, which is the scatter effect. And yeah, now just apply this to the pre-composition. And now if we move this value, you can see we already get this cool effect. And yeah, in this example, I changed the grain type from both to vertical. So it only affects the vertical side of the text. But maybe you prefer both or the horizontal tab. I think this also looks really cool. But yeah, for this example, let's stay with the vertical tab. And yeah, now let's just go to the beginning of our animation and bring this down to 0. Then go, first of all, let's put in a keyframe at the scatter amount. And yeah, then just go forward a bit, like 1.5 seconds, and bring this up. Then go forward again a few seconds and bring this down, maybe not to 0, but to a really small value like 10. And yeah, then go forward again, bring this up, maybe a bit higher this time. And yeah, go forward again and bring this down to 0. And yeah, now we can see we already have this cool glitch effect. And yeah, this effect will look different if you change the keyframes, of course. Maybe you want it to be faster, so let's just bring these all together a bit more and just see how it looks. And yeah, I think this looks super cool. Of course, you can also press on the scatter amount and go to the graph editor and select all, and maybe press the easy ease setting to make this a bit more smooth. And yeah, maybe you can see now it will just it's just a small difference, but sometimes this looks cool. And of course, if you want a fade in or fade out animation, you can just keyframe the opacity. So you can just go to our pre-composition and press T on the keyboard for transparency or opacity, and then just place a keyframe if you milliseconds in, and put in a keyframe at 100%, and then just go to the beginning and bring this down to 0. So we get this fade in. And of course we can do the same thing with the end. So we can just put in a keyframe at 100 here. Oh, why is it not 100? Let's change it to 100. And then just go forward again and bring this down to 0. And yeah, that's it basically. Thanks for watching and see you next time.